Isa sa kanila ang magiging first Pinoy Idol. Kaya ngayon pa lang, sumabak na sila sa buhay ng isang superstar. Ang pagbisita sa isang sikat na radio station kung saan tutugtugin ang kanilang mga future hit songs. Ang dumugi ng mga fans sa kanilang jam-packed mall tours. Makakuha ng pointers mula sa mga pinakakilalang tao sa industriya. All of them are now stars, pero dito sa Idol stage, who will shine the brightest? They sing, you choose. This is Pinoy Idol.
Humakot, humahakot at hahakot pa ang top 10 Idol finalists na mga supporters na talaga namang nagsusumigaw saan man sila makarating. At ngayong gabi is no ordinary night dahil dito sa center stage SM Mall of Asia, isa namang mainit na salpukan ang inyong masasaksihan. I am Raymond Gutierrez and this is Pinoy Idol! Magandang gabi mga kapuso at good evening din sa ating mga idol fanatics na nandito ngayon sa SM Center Stage Mall of Asia. Halatang-halata naman na you can't wait to see all your idol bets on stage again. Kaya hindi natin patatagalin. The stars of the night are here. Daryl, Kid, Penelope, Robbie, Jay-Ann, Topher, Sue, Warren, Gretchen, and Ram. And speaking of stars, andito din ang tatlong bituin na nagsisilbing guide ng ating mga viewers to vote wisely. Our judges, Ogie Alcacid, Shalina Magdangal, and Wingard Tracy. Good evening, judges. Stars keep coming dito sa Pinoy Idol to witness our top 10's performance. Andito rin sina Eli Buendia, Haji Alejandro and Alina, from codename Acero, Bubbles Paraiso, and Jay Durias. Good evening. We'd also like to say hello to our friends from Fremantle, Mr. Patrick Schultz, Managing Director of Fremantle Media Asia, and Ms. Geraldine Bravo, Marketing Director of Fremantle Media Southeast Asia. Welcome to Pinoy Idol. Tonight ay ang third gala performance ng Top 10 Idols at mas makikilala natin sila ng lubusan dahil the Song of My Life ang theme ngayong gabi. Ang unang sasala ngayong gabi ay ang nakakuha ng unanimous yes votes from 4 music icons na bumisita sa atin last week. Sina Ray Valera, Jamie Rivera, Jet Pangan, and Aiza Sigera.
The Song of My Life is Yugyuga Na by POT. Maliban sa pamilya ko, tinetreasure ko yung mga friends ko since high school, college, at hanggang ngayon. Lagi namin ginagamit tong kantang to sa mga party, mga jam sessions, at sa mga gig. Kaya ngayong gabi, Yugyuga Na.
Problema'y limutin, sabay yugyuga. Sick of the people, let's get on down. Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out. Sick of the people, let's get on down. Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out. Sa pagkakaupo mo, narinig ka ng tugtugan. Sige na, tugyo ka na. Nakasabay pa ng tugtugin, nakangati ang talampakan. Sige na, tugyo ka na. Come on! Tugyo ka na. Do it. Come on! Do you feel it? Na, na, na. Let's get on down. Come on. Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out. Singing the people. Let's get on, get on, get on down. Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out.
Hey, Ram! Salamat, Pilipinas. You know, I have to admit, you are one reason why I like coming here.
Thank you.
I always enjoy watching you. And you know, ang pinakagusto ko sa'yo, you never compromise your vocals. Kahit gaano ka energetic ka, you're on the ball all the time. Congratulations, Ram.
Thank you.
Ram, alam mo, yung galaw mo, hindi man masyadong malikot, pero alam mo, yung expression ng mukha mo, napaka-energetic. Diba? Sobrang dalang-dala talaga.
Para sa
ako.
tanan Bisaya.
Yes, Ram, yung intensity ng performance mo, laging nandun, no? At saka, uulitin ko na sana ang mga manonood makita yung galing mo, hindi ka hanapan ng matinee idol quality. But you
Talent!
are looking better and better every week.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you, judges. Thank you, Ram. Starting the night with so much energy. So vote for Ram. Just text idol space Ram and send to the numbers on your screens. You can vote now until tomorrow, 12 noon. At 200 votes per SIM number lang ang allowed. Kaya mag-text na kayo right now.